Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a pretty quick one actually. I just wanted to show you some of the bits that I bought for my birthday outfit. So my birthday is at the very end of May the 31st, and I've got plans for the day and I wanted to treat myself to a few little new bits to wear on these various adventures. So I bought an outfit for like the day, and then I also bought myself something for the evening. So I wanted to try them on and give like my first impressions and see whether they're actually a nightmare or whether they're really good. So the things I bought are from Stradivarius and Misguided. So I am trying to stay away from fast fashion now. I just don't think the quality's there, and I also think there are ethical concerns when it comes to fast fashion. However, when I was looking for what I wanted, I did end up purchasing from Misguided just because it was like the best item of the thing that I was looking for that I could find. But let's have a look at the daytime stuff first. So this is all from Stradivarius. So the first things that I got, I'm thinking for like the daytime and my birthday. So this top is from Stradivarius and it's literally just a very basic sort of 90s crop top with a high neck. I got this in a size medium and it was, I think it was £9.99. It says €7.99 on the label, which is perturbing me, but it's just, yeah, a really nice, cute, simple high neck top. It's usually really nice weather on my birthday, so I'm hoping that I can like get the shoulders out and continue this lovely tan that I've got going on from Croatia. So this is definitely going to be the top for the morning. I'm thinking maybe like we'll go for a bit of a walk in the morning, get a coffee, maybe stop for like, I don't know, a glass of Prosecco or something, because it's my birthday and you're allowed to drink in the morning on your birthday. I just really like the way it fits. You can really feel in the material what good quality it is. I think it also just sits on me a lot nicer than some of the cheaper bits you can find, especially places like Shein, where I've really enjoyed shopping with Shein before, but the quality is absolutely so much noticeably better. I also think this is really flattering. Sometimes I get a little bit funny about my arms being on show, but I really don't mind this. It's just really comfortable, really pretty, understated. And I'm also thinking like, yes, I'll wear it for my birthday, but I'll definitely also be able to wear it for work or just general day to day. And then the next two items are literally an identical pair of trousers. So I'm sure that you will have seen these on Instagram. Lots of my favorite like Insta people are wearing these. They're called the darted tailored trousers or something like that. I also got these in a size medium, and these were £29.99 a go. They're also dupes for the ones that you can buy in Zara, and the Zara ones are slightly more expensive, not really sure why, because I'm pretty sure that Stradivarius is like Zara's child company, so the likelihood is that they're like almost identical. So these are just the slightly cheaper versions. But what I really love is the detailing on the top. They're high-waisted, they're like properly high-waisted, and this seaming detail along the top I just think is so lovely and definitely quite unusual. Like, I have loads of pairs of high-waisted trousers, I live in high-waisted trousers, but these just seem a little bit lovelier. I love this stony colour. I think it's called Ecru on the website. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I think it's gorgeous. It's really nice for spring, so if the weather is nice and warm and dry, I'll probably go with these ones. However, if it's not warm enough, I'll go for the black. Like if it's raining, touch wood, then I'll go for the black. But yeah, they're just really flattering. They're full length on me right the way down to the ground, and I also think I would like to experiment with like upturning the cuffs and getting like the ankles out. They're also really flattering in the bum region, so that's really good. But yes, I love them. And then the final thing, which is probably really hard to show like this, it's actually like a blazer dress from Misguided. So I got this in a size 10. I did originally order a 12, and because I was thinking I'd like a kind of like oversized look, when it came, it was oversized but in the wrong way, so I sent it back and I swapped it for one that was like actually my size, because I think in the end I decided that a more tailored fit would look a bit nicer. So this was £45, but I had a discount code, so that's lovely. And it's like it's actually slightly longer on me. I think that's because I'm on the petite side, like I'm a bit shorter, so the dress comes down a little bit further on me. However, like the shoulders fit beautifully, the waist fits really lovely, and I just think it's a proper like power suit. I just think it looks so powerful. Like I feel like a wealthy businesswoman when I wear this. So I'm really excited to wear it out. So this would be for like the evening, and we're actually going to the Ivy. It's going to be my first time going to the Ivy for food, so I'm really excited about that. And I think like because the Ivy's a bit posh, I wanted to look a bit posh, so I want to serve you like wealthy women out at the Ivy having some, you know, cocktails and wine and food and things. So I really like that. Also, I think the belt, as it's detachable, I might actually rob it and use it for some other things that I have, because I think it's just, oh, it's a really nice belt and just a really nice dress. A little bit creased, so it will need an iron, but that might not end up being my job because it's going to be my birthday, so I don't think I'll be ironing on my birthday. And so I'm thinking of styling the blazer dress with this pair of over the knee boots. Oh, I'm gonna look so sassy, and I've also got this little black handbag. So but yeah, I know that was a really short video, but that's fine because I'm trying to be really good savings wise. Me and Kyle are looking to like downsize to a 1-bedroom flat, so we can save money to save up for a house deposit. So my spending has really got to get knocked on the head, but that's fine, and I just treated myself because it's my birthday and I'm allowed to. I will be leaving the links to these items down below in case you're interested in them. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found this interesting and helpful, and thank you so much for clicking on my face, and I will see you in the next video.